Hey guys, it's Steph. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal. My friend Abby got surgery today and I came home from school because I thought I was going to throw up and die. So I was like, hey, I don't have any homework to do. And I'm going to make her a little poster because my friends Reagan, Anna, and I decided to chip in and go get her some gifts. So I'll show you guys what we got her and I will show you guys me decorating her little card. This video is actually in partnership with Photage and they are such a great brand. It's so good for gifts and things like that. And when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, like perfect opportunity. They send you little prints that you guys will see in the video. I will explain more what Photage kind of is in the video, but let's just, you know, get started. Alright, so first off, I'm going to show you guys everything that I got Abby. I don't have the magazines because Reagan went out and bought those separately. Alright, so there's a lot of history I have to share with you guys about this video. But if you don't care, just like skip to this time and yeah. But okay, so pretty much the way that this is gonna work is I can't give this gift to her. I was gonna like make it a cute little video and like deliver this gift to her, but I have softball every single day and I'm gonna have games every single day for the next 12 days. What I'm gonna do is decorate the card, drop off all this stuff at one of like either Reagan or Abby's house, and then they're gonna go deliver it. Maybe if I feel bad, but like maybe I may ask them to like get me some footage and like ask Abby what's up because like I'm terrified for her. Like, her jaw's like all messed up, so she had to get it broken and wired shut, so it's wired shut for like 5 weeks or something, and she can't talk. Yeah, I feel really bad, which is why we got her these gifts, to make her feel a little better. The first thing that I got Abby was something that I just bought on my own, like we didn't split the cost of this. This is just a bath bomb from Lush. This is what it looks like. Ooh, majestic. Look at her, she's pretty. Next, I got her a Pura Vida bracelet. It's like a seafoam greenish color. Then I got her this little plaque. One of my friends actually gave this to me, but I ordered another one because I like it. Then I got her a little coloring book, and also I got her some markers with that, but I think they're downstairs in the package that I've been trying to open for a week. I just haven't gotten around to it. Then I gave her 2 face masks that I have left over from a partnership I did with a brand a little while ago. And then I got her a big white blanket, which I'm not going to open because it's folded all nicely, but it's soft and it's white and it'll match her room and it's cute. And then the last thing that I got is these 2 things from Photage. I just got 2 medium-sized prints and they're just literally just giant stickers. Here they are. So they're so cute. They're super vibrant, which I love too. And I just think these would be super cute to put on the card. So there's some photos of my friends and it's just like me, Reagan, Anna, and Abby and a bunch of pictures. Thanks to Photage for sending me these because they're super cool. I've done way too much talking and blabbing on. So now let's just go and make the card. This shirt has a hole in somewhere. Oh yeah, right there. So just like disregard that. Sorry. So I have this little poster I found in my room somewhere that I'm going to use to decorate, and first I need some inspiration because I don't know what to write on it. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest and look for some ideas.
Life is fleeting, and if you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky.
Alright, so first I'm going to do like a little outline of just like the words like get well soon. Bubble letters are like cool and all, but like I don't want to like jazz it up. No, I'm just gonna send it. Okay, I love how you can't even see this. Alright, so now you guys can actually see this, but this is what I have done so far. So this is like calligraphy and so is that. But these balloons are struggling. These ones look alright, but like I still need to have room for like the Photage thing. So I'm going to put one here and here, and I need to fix these because these are crusty. And then I'm gonna start coloring. Okay, so here's a little update of what I have so far. I think it looks actually like pretty good, like not to like toot my own horn or whatever, but like I think I actually like it a lot. I just have to color in that little thingy right there, but like I need some more decorations. I'm not sure if I want to do these balloons or not because they're so ugly. So I'm going to stick on the little Photage things and then maybe I'll revise and we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to put these on. I'm so scared. It literally is just a sticker you peel off. That's so cool. You could put these on like laptop cases or something like that. That'd be so fun. All right. Okay. I need to, okay. You know what? Just put it on. Just put it on.
We live and we lie.
All right. That one looks pretty snazzy.
And we fly. We win.
All right. Dub season, my dude. These balloons aren't it. We're not doing that.
Enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie.
And we're done. So here is a completed poster. I think it turned out really good, and I think just like it's cute because like it has pictures on it. And it shows like I gave effort into this. This is what it looks like. Hey, so cute. Haha, lol. Pretty proud if you ask me. And yeah. So I guess that's it for today's video. If my friends end up getting footage for me, you guys would have already seen it at this point, but if not, then so thanks for watching. Subscribe down below if you're new, and follow my social media at Steph Oliver YT if you want to see some more of me, because I've been actually starting to like post on Instagram, and it's like kind of like wild because like I never do. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Ooh.